if you have time as well to visit Japan, please go to Kaneyama.
Yes.
Kaneyama Pottery, hindi siya makikita na Kaneyama Pottery kasi it's Kaneyamayaki.
Tsugaru Kaneyamayaki.
Tsugaru Kaneyamayaki.
In Aomori, Japan.
Hi. So, ayun, punta kayo doon, pero mabilis po nyo siyang makikita. Kasi kapag inano nyo sa Google Map, you can see it right away.
Yes.
I don't know if, kasi Kaneyama is part of the tourism.
Yes, it is already part of
alam niyo ba
tourist spot
na ang Kaneyama, the training that we had and the techniques that we are trained for, or na-train kami, based from Jomon era, which is the traditional Japanese ceramics. So, it's Bizen.
Yeah.
So, unglazed product. So, if you want to get the rare pieces and rare technique, prehistoric way of firing, go to Kaneyama.
Kaneyama, yes.
So, ganun kami na-train ni Precious, ni Marco, ni Jazel.
Kaya sobrang na-in love din ako sa technique ng Kaneyama.
Kasi it's back to basics.
Kasi hindi sila gumagamit ng glaze.
Oo, walang glaze to ha.
Pero kaya nilang mag-produce ng parang iridescent finish sa works mo.
Correct.
Then tapos yung parang may rainbow swirl sa mga works mo.
True.
And everything na iniikot mo, iba-iba yung...
the sumiire.
The sumiire.
Ang sumiire kasi is a technique of putting charcoal inside
the kiln.
So basically, it has oxidation and reduction as part of the process. So, ayun. Visit Kaneyama Pottery if you have time. That it's just a 3-hour ride, Shinkansen from Tokyo going to Aomori. Then from Aomori City na, you can take a bus going to Gushigawara. From Gushigawara, take a taxi. Kasi wala nang bus, di ba?
Wala na.
Yeah, it was
pero parang better go there around August kasi merong festival.
Yes, the Nebuta Festival. Grabe. Alam mo, ganda nito. It's about, siguro, 2 to 3 story building na mga lanterns.
Paper lanterns lang
paper lanterns to. At meron talaga museum sila.
Do you know what? I joined the dance.
Ay, hindi ko na ano yung...
Oo! So, naka-costume and everything.
Ano lang ako doon, naka-gymbe ako. Tapos, nung inopen yung, after pandemic kasi to, nung inopen na yung doon lang ako nag-join.
Yes.
Pero hindi the dance. Pero naka-gymbe ako the entire day. Parang at least ma-feel ko man lang na I've attended the Matsuri. Pero, the Matsuri that I've experienced is first day that I got in Japan. August 5.
August ka pala?
August 5.
Oh my God.
August 5. Actually, August 5. Tapos, afternoon, it's the festival.
Nice.
Sabi ko, wow, nananaginip ba ako?
Nebuta means dreaming din eh.
It's a Nebuta festival.
Yes. It's so nice.
Ayun. So, are we gonna cap this off?
Of course.
Okay na?
Ikaw.
So, ayun. Alright, again, Precious Grace Pareño, please watch her show then sa Afro, and then please catch her on our BGC Art
November 22.
Workshop.
November 22.
Yeah.
Around 3:30 p.m.
Yeah,
to 5:30 p.m.
Yes. Tapos, may mga works din siya man-display doon so you can get her works.
Yes, thank you.
Sa BGC. So, ayun. We're good?
Yes. Thank you, Alfred.
Thank you. Oh my God.
Ang haba ng siguro. Ang taon yan.
Yeah.
Ang gagawin natin.
Pero, magpaalam muna tayo. So, again.
Yes.
AM Traheco.
Precious Grace Pareño.
And thank you for watching. Putik yan. One more. Okay. Thank you for watching.
Putik yan.